Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here. Almost Christmas.
It's the holiday.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
And it's not Christmas without
the prime rib.
The prime rib.
Yeah, the rib roast. This is so popular. So keep an eye on the supermarket flyers because they will have this in the flyer on special, I'm sure. You know, and go to beeftips.com. Our website, if you're a novice at it, maybe you're going to try it for the first time.
It's a little intimidating because it's a lot of money.
It is a lot of money because it's a premium cut of beef because, you know, this is your ribeye steak but left as a roast. Mm-hmm. So this is one of the most premium cuts of beef. So yeah, it's going to cost a little more.
You're getting like 8 steaks here.
Yep, you are. So, and cooking it whole is a little intimidating too because it takes a little bit of time. But, you know, really just need a roasting pan, a rack for a boneless roast. And this is my fancy TV pan. I don't cook in it. So I use just a metal old 9x13 cake pan. It's very seasoned, or I have a metal lasagna pan too that's got a higher sides, and then just a little rack to put on the bottom because you want a 350-degree temperature on your oven, no water, no cover, because this is tender.
Really?
So you're just cooking it. You're not tenderizing. It's not like you're braising it. It's not pot roast. It is tender.
No seasoning.
It's a ribeye. And yeah, so you know, go to the website. This roast I made today has some orange peel, fresh thyme, a little garlic, a little pepper, but we have all different kinds of seasonings, sauces to go with.
You have a chocolate sauce.
Chocolate port sauce. I have a spoon for you. You were doubting me. So try this.
What do I want to put on?
Just try it, eat it however you want. But I just put the spoon in my mouth. Come on, Mark. It's a chocolate port sauce that goes on the rib roast.
That's not bad.
It's got a little heavy whipping cream in it, a little fresh thyme, some shallots, like a real sweet, savory little umami in there with the little soy sauce. Okay. So you could have that with the rib roast, or you don't have to. And then a hot, okay, so we, of course, at the Beef Council took a cheesy, hot artichoke spinach dip, and we added beef, right? Because that's what I do.
This is what the crackers are for.
This is what the crackers are for, right, so try that. So I just used, like, I used a fully cooked pot roast from the supermarket that you can buy. It's about 12-ounce package. But if you have any extra roast this time of year, or steak, or even ground beef, throw it in this recipe, and it kind of beefs up your spinach artichoke dip. Do you like it?
It's great.
Yeah, it gives it a little more depth of flavor. I mean, I hate to add something to a great spinach artichoke dip, but this is worth it. It's just, it gives it that extra layer of flavor. And two, you know, big roast this time of year, get another meal out of it or another appetizer out of it.
Absolutely.
So beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Right on the homepage, we have a link to our Beef Up the Holidays page, and we kind of have everything there. So we've got links to all of our different recipe collections, our cooking tips, our timetables.
You just cut this, and it should be pink?
So yeah, I like to set my timer 20 minutes a pound for a boneless rib roast like this. And it'll go a little longer. Use that meat thermometer, the oven-safe meat thermometer. Pull it out at 135.
And then let it rest. Let
it rest, right. These big roasts need to rest 20 minutes. Now it's going to smell really good, and you're going to want to slice into it. But let it rest. And this is like a real nice 145 medium rare.
Perfect.
Yes.
Happy holidays.
So try a beef roast this holiday, or try a new recipe if you love.
Don't be intimidated. Just follow the recipe.
Yeah.
Beeftips.com.
Happy holidays.
You too. Thanks, Angie.